Hello students, remaining part discuss in this video acquisition of old asset. If old equipments and plants are available at low price means when you purchase old plants that time you not pay higher amount higher cost against these machineries plants and so you save some amounts and invest on another place. Means suppose new machinery price is 10 lakh but old machinery available in 5 lakhs means save your 5 lakh rupees and so it is an best for decreasing size of fixed capital. But when you purchase the new machineries you maybe pay 10 lakh rupees means increase the size of fixed capital. As per slide, remaining saving amounts may be invested on different place and increase the fixed asset. Acquisition of asset on concessional rate. With the view of the foster means industrial growth and regional level. When you maybe increase your business, when business is growing, that time on the concessional rate you may be available different type of fixed assets. For example, the government maybe provide land, building, materials at a concessional rate means provide on a best prices. You know, in Maharashtra, MIDC, Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, provide business with infrastructure such as a land, open plot, or built up a space, road, water supplies, electricities on the minimum prices on minimum rent. Suppose anyone entrepreneur have not possible purchase a own land that time may be approach to government and take a land on the lowest price as per the plant requirement maybe also be managed of fixed asset means on the when machineries yeah fixed asset available on concessional rates that time maybe get a scope for the expand. Yeah, you purchase another machineries. Yeah, you invest on another. International conditions in this slide maybe discuss related of the higher level or between different type of companies. In this slide, this factor is very significant, particularly in large organization carrying business on international level. Means business run on higher level and so you maybe face competition on higher level and so you maybe make addition. Yeah, your investment is an very higher level. For example, companies expecting or may decide to invest large fund to expand fixed asset before there is shortage of materials. Means when you face competition on international level that time your investment may be on higher level, your investment amount is higher and so most of the past part invest in a fixed asset. Population trend. When population is increasing, automatically increase the demand, and as per the increasing of demand, entrepreneur, as is possible, increase the size of production and required additional fixed capital. For example, automated industries, electronic goods manufacturing industries, ready-made garments. Maybe as per demand, entrepreneur try to fulfill all demands. But before demand, when any one entrepreneur maybe start a production, that time automatically increase the fixed capital, because every time ready to provide goods and services, which is a necessity huge amount of fixed capital as per the requirement may be invest. Consumer preference means customer select your product, customer purchase your product. On the basis, industries provide goods and services which are is an good demand will be required large amount of fixed capital. Simple formula: when increase demand in the market, entrepreneur as is possible try on level add some investments, and as per the demand base start a production and automatically increase a fixed capital. Mention example in your slide: mobile phone, maybe manufacturers as is possible, maybe manufacturing different type of mobiles. But when manufacturing mobiles procedure is going on, that time which is a part, which is the topics maybe customer consider, and that's after purchase a mobile phone. First of all, manufacturing company, your manufacturing product is a different of another. That's after when customer select your product, the time customer purchasing power is important, and so in as is best price maybe manufacturing, and that's after economical conditions, market condition maybe increase or decrease prices, and so customer maybe select option for purchasing the product. And last slide, competitive factors. More and more competition in a market, because every entrepreneur maybe study about the how to approach customer. Means when customer approach, select your product, purchase your product, automatically increase the volume of sale. On this basis, when any one competitor maybe change in own product, second competitor maybe modify own product. When you modify machines, that time automatically increase the your working capital, and so on every level company may be done different type of activities and face competition in the market, and so it is a factor regarding increasing the size of fixed capital. Thank you. Remaining part discuss in a next video.